Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any automotive enthusiast or gearhead out there, the Redline Heavy Shockproof Gear Oil. If you're looking to optimize your vehicle's performance and protect your gears, this could be the ultimate solution. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about this product. Redline has built a solid reputation in the automotive world, and their heavy shockproof gear oil lives up to the hype. Designed for heavy-duty applications, this gear oil isn't your average lubricant. It's formulated to handle extreme pressures and temperatures, ensuring your gears operate smoothly and efficiently. Let's talk features. This particular variant, the 58204, comes in a convenient 1-quart bottle, which contains 32 fluid ounces. It's designed to meet the needs of vehicles where gear protection is critical. Whether you're into racing, off-roading, or simply want the best for your daily driver, this gear oil promises to deliver. So, why should you consider switching to Redline? Well, apart from its robust design, it offers superior thermal stability and reduces operating temperatures. This means less wear and tear on your gears, prolonging their lifespan and ultimately saving you money on repairs down the road. Applying the Redline Heavy Shockproof Gear Oil is straightforward. Just follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations. It's compatible with a wide range of gear types, including manual transmissions, differentials, and even some limited slip differentials, making it versatile for various automotive applications. Many users have reported noticeable improvements after switching to Redline. It enhances gear shifting smoothness and reduces gear noise, which is crucial for performance-driven vehicles. Whether you're on the track or tackling tough terrain, this oil ensures your gears stay protected under extreme conditions. To wrap it up, the Redline Heavy Shockproof Gear Oil isn't just another lubricant, it's a performance enhancer. If you're serious about maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity of its gears, this product deserves serious consideration. If you've used Redline gear oils before or have any questions about this product, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and automotive tips from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.